Hello, I'm Kevin with the Homer Public Library, and I hope you're doing well. Today I'm here to show you how to use your library card to sign into the Alaska Digital Library. Are you ready? Okay, let's download some books. First things first, you're going to have to click on this link here for the Alaska Digital Library on the upper left hand of your screen. It's going to bring you to our information page where you can get more information, but you can go ahead and click on this link to download ebooks and audiobooks. It's going to give you this warning letting you know that you're leaving our webpage and going to the digital library, and that is okay. Okay, here we are. First thing you're going to need to do is sign in. Click this orange button here. Here, Homer Public Library is already selected, but if it wasn't for you, you would just click on that caret and select Homer Public Library. I'm going to go ahead and put in my 5-digit library card number here. And my PIN number. Your PIN number is defaulted to the last 4 digits of your phone number. And if you're having any trouble, go ahead and give us a call at the library and we'll get it sorted out for you. All right, and we're in. Let's go ahead and look up a book I wanted to read for a little while. All right. Oh, looks like it's here, but it's on a wait list. Whoa, and it looks like we have a wait time of about 12 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and place a hold, and I recommend if you get in that situation, you put a hold too. Wait times are often much, much shorter for Homer Public Library patrons. If that does happen, though, let's go ahead and browse for other books. Let's check out City for Empire. Go ahead and borrow this. You can select how many days you want this loan for. I'm going to go ahead to 14 days. And so here we can read this book now on our Kindle device if we have one, also on our Kindle app if we have that on our device. But I'm going to go ahead and click this and read this in our browser right here to show you how this looks. You're just going to have to be a little bit patient because we have a lot of readers out there. Okay, so basic navigation is going to be click on the right page to go forward pages, and click on the left side or the left page to go backwards. You can also click in the center in the spine area to give you this navigation option to let you scrub through a whole book and navigate a book quickly. But again, we will cover more advanced browser reading options in a future video. Well, here's the basics for how to sign in. I hope you had a good time. Go ahead and give the library a call at 907-235-3180 or send us an email if you have any questions. Have a great day and have a great read. Talk to you soon.